All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Crypto World. I am the Crypto Viking, and I've got another unboxing video for you guys today. The rest of the crypto world is still out of town, so I'm just going to keep it rolling with these Bitcoin trading card unboxings. What I've got today is the actual case. I've got an entire case of these, the one that I had mentioned in the last video. There are 24 packs in here, and I've decided what I'm going to do is open them up 3 or 4 at a time. Maybe 4 if we don't get anything super special, but that way I can kind of stretch it out, make some more content, keep the suspense going, and we'll see if we've got anything really awesome in here. So in this case is just really cool. It's really well packaged, really well designed. If you guys want to follow along with this project, I'm not going to spend the rest of this video like I did in the previous 2 explaining what the cards are all about. You guys can go and watch those previous videos if you're curious, but go ahead and follow them on their socials, check out their websites, and as a surprise, turns out I heard today in the group chat that they are going to be offering on their website, I think maybe a dozen of these boxes at a premium price. They're bringing them back. So they were sold out. Now they're coming back. Keep checking up on the website. And probably the best way to get a hold of those is to join the group chat, the Telegram group. And the links for all of that will be in the description as well. So before we actually crack into this case, I can brag a little bit about some of the improvements I've done in the studio. So as you guys might have noticed, look at how clear this overhead camera is now. There's a little bit of technical difficulties that I had to work through, go figure. As soon as I fix one thing, 2 things break. And there's a little bit of a lag on this camera, but for the clarity, I mean, look at that. So these are all the rare cards that I've pulled so far. My Adam Meister 1 of 100 that I got in my very first pack, and I had no idea how rare it is, but now we do. So those are the rare cards. I'm going to keep those over here somewhere. I've got more hard cases for any rare cards that we might pull. And before I open the case, I'm going to show you guys what came in the shipment, which were these stickers. I mentioned in the last video that I'm a sticker collector as well. I showed you guys that one in the last video. This came with my second pack. This one is the one that came in my first pack. First order, I should say. And then the rest of these are the ones that came with the case. And all of these are representative of some of the artwork that are on some of the cards that you might get in the packs. Munner Printer Go Burr, I like that. We just got this one in the last video, the blockchain. These are really awesome. I think that this one is probably my favorite artwork out of the entire collection of Series 1 so far. I love that. Education and the Bitcoin white paper. So these are really cool. I'm going to be keeping these sealed. We'll probably display these stickers right along with the rest of the cards. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open this case up. I've got an X-Acto knife here. Don't want to hurt any of the packs on the inside. Pull off that shiny plastic and get going. I think we're going to open 3 packs today, unless we get something just super, super cool that I want to call it on. So, first things first, pack number 1. I'm going to be setting it aside. I've already got the rest of my cards in this collector's box, all individually sleeved. And I've got the 2 packs from the 2 previous openings still sealed. First pack of the case is getting kept right in there. I'm going to keep that right off to the side. So, pack number 2 of the case is the first one that we will actually open. And I've got 2 overhead cameras now because I'm going to be doing some cool stuff with some editing later. So I'm hoping that I'm finding the center. This should be good enough. First one, let's get it open. Whew, all right. I can already see the last one's a blue card, but that's all right. Education, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Resources, bitcointimes.com. Resources, coinbeast.com. Yeah, look how much better this overhead camera is. Definitely a delay, but totally worth it, I think, because now you guys could actually pause and read that if you wanted to. That is so much better. Education, The Creature from Jekyll Island. I'm going to be ordering that book for myself. I have not read it yet, and maybe that's going to be an issue for some people, but I'm going to read it, don't worry. Sounds like a really awesome book. Resources card, Fold app. Oh yeah, here. All right, so this is actually a card that I have not had yet. Currency card, the US dollar. I watched Tone Vase's pack opening from, I think it was yesterday, and he pulled 4 or 5, maybe I'm exaggerating, maybe it was 3 or 4 cards that I have been missing. So I've actually got the full Series 1 collection, and I've been adding little check marks to the cards that I get. So this is one that I was missing. I'm very happy. And that one I was missing too. So that actually rounds out my currency card. Maybe if I put these right here, you can still see them. Currency card little collection within Series 1. And now this rounds out my Bitcoin. Bitcoin, 21 million. Yep. Fantastic. I'm quickly running out of adjectives to describe how much I love these cards. Bitcoin education card. Last one. Let's go. Satoshi Limited Edition. That is awesome. This is, like I said, this is my favorite artwork, I think, of the series. This is one that I was really hoping I would get. Wow. Yeah, man, that's got to be my favorite card. Look at the hollow foil on there. Wow. All right, that is going right into a hard case. These hard cases I just got off of Amazon. They fit any standard trading card that you might have. And they're UV protective as well. So that is good for the longevity of the cards, depending on where you're actually going to be displaying them. But just like that, adding that one right into the collection. I'm also noticing that the lag gets worse as the video goes along, so I'm going to try to keep this kind of speedy. Pack number 2. Man, I'm already so happy with that first pack. I'm quickly realizing, though, that the difficulty in completing a full collection for Series 1, for example, definitely lies in the rare cards. I think that I got spoiled in the beginning by pulling some really rare ones. I didn't really understand how hard it was going to be. I am missing one economics card. I forget which one it is, but I've already got this one. Assets versus liability. Money printer, go burr. Yep. Resources, swanbitcoin.com. I'm pretty sure I've already got that one. All right, here's another one that I was missing. I think that actually might be, maybe that's the last resources card that I needed. Geyser.fund. Another currency card, US dollar. This card, and actually now I think I can show it to you if I get it close enough. Where's my camera? Is that upside down? No. This is a timeline of some of the worst things that have happened to the US dollar and that has contributed to its decline. So there's a lot of really awesome information on this card. Definitely one to check out. And I'm actually going to be giving a presentation over Bitcoin to a political group, I think next month. And I'm giving it to this audience, and there are a lot of really old guys, so they're stuck in their ways with the US dollar and greenbacks. And I'm actually going to start out by asking them, how many of you guys think that Bitcoin is a scam? And I guarantee you a lot of them are going to raise their hands. And then I'm going to proceed to outline how the US dollar is the scam and how Bitcoin actually means financial freedom. I could go on a rant, but I'll save that for some other time, and we'll keep opening cards. Resources card. This is another one that I did not have. Hardware wallet. Okay. Fantastic. Economics card. Bear markets. And oh, there's one more. Coinbits resources card. Did I have this one too? Wow, I'm starting to lose track. Last rare card. Economics limited edition. This is one that I didn't have either. Wow, that lag is getting really bad. We might only do one more pack at this rate because before you know it, that camera is not going to be working anymore. It's actually getting kind of hot. I can feel it. All right, hard case for that one. I'm getting pretty lucky in that I'm not getting too many duplicates here. But then again, I haven't opened that many packs compared to some other people. So that one goes right in there. Man, that lag is bad. All right, that is another thing that I'm gonna have to fix for the next video. And we'll make this one the last one that we do for today. Which is so difficult to do. Well, as soon as you have a whole box of these sitting in front of you, all you want to do is open them. Okay. Resources card, Bitcoin exchange. Influencer's card. Ludwig, I've already got him. Education card, the Bitcoin Standard. The Bretton Woods Agreement. Yep, got that one. But yeah, I am missing one government card. It's not this one. But the government cards have some of my favorite artwork as well. That's great. Another history card, I believe. Yep, history. The gold standard. Education card, the Marshmallow Experiment, the last, the first Marshmallow Experiment card that I got, which was the last one that I opened in the last video, had a really damaged corner, but this one looks really clean, so that's great. Economics card, economics, already got this one, yep. The Bitcoin white paper, and the last card, another Unalienable Rights. But you guys can see how beautiful the holofoil is on this card. Very, very, very shiny. The lag. Let's see if I can get it close enough to the camera. Where is it? That's really hard to do with the lag. But beautiful. Beautiful. All right. Getting put into a hard case right away. I am still on the hunt for, of course, a Tone Vase card. And all of the other influencer cards that are rare. So we've got, how many more packs now? I just took out one, opened 3, 20 packs left. We're going to keep it rolling. Hopefully do at least a couple of these a week. And the next video is going to have some more camera fixes. And I'm also going to have someone else start doing the editing. So it'll be much better than what I can do. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you guys are actually collecting these cards as well, or if you're planning on collecting these cards. And leave some ideas on other items and products that I can unbox in the future. See you in the next one.